She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. But if this is your very first time, right now, click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, because I do hang out in my comment section, and if you get notified, you'll get to talk to me really quickly. So yeah, and this video is going to be about my cash envelopes and my sinking funds. So this is me stuffing them, so let's get into it. Alright, so as usual, this is a new month. So I had a subscriber give me a great idea for what to do with the extra money. I actually can put it into my sinking fund. So instead of just like, I've been rolling it over. So what I'll do is I'll roll it over into the next pay period, but not into the next month. Okay, so like I get paid twice in March, so I'll be rolling everything over in March, but then at the beginning of April I will be putting all of that into my sinking fund. So that makes a lot of sense, and I am here for that. So let's go ahead and start separating this Cassius clay out here. We got our 20s, we have our 10s, and I actually went to the biz bank this time and not to the gas station for the creepy man to think I'm just going to be a stripper. And I'm going to let you guys know ahead of time, I am short $30 because I had to get gas today before I filmed this video. So I went ahead and I used that to get gas. So when we get to the gas section, we'll do that. So since it's the end of the month, let's go ahead. We'll start with entertainment. I am showing, I don't know how much I'm showing that I have left because I did not add it up. I wrote it down, but I did not add it up. So that means I probably was on the go. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have $46 left in entertainment. For entertainment, I was gonna say I think I'll leave it in there because sometimes things come up. So I think for entertainment, I am gonna actually roll. That's one category I can roll over because different things happen. Church events I want to give to people. Like I kind of do all of that stuff in my entertainment fund. So yeah, we're gonna leave that one there, but we will go ahead and start our new month. So that is with this red. And if you guys have not watched one of my sinking fund videos before, or cash envelopes videos before, I do not like to waste anything. So that is why that line is there. And I'm just putting the new month. We are going with $50 once again. And so we're going to put that 50 right here. That's what we're depositing in here. Okay, and I think I'm going to use a green. I'm going to use a green. We have a new month, we're putting $50, and then we're going to use green for rollover. This green is very light. I wonder, do I have a different green over there? Oh well. Okay, so I'm putting a rollover there, and I'm going to put plus $46. That way I know, and then my total will be 96. Okay, so I have $96 left over. As you guys know, I started out with 92 anyways, so I'm spending a little bit less and less each time. I'm excited about that. So let's go ahead and grab the $50 and put in there. 20, 40, and 50. So we're gonna just add that in there, and I will straighten all that money out when I can. Alright, moving that to the side. And then we have personal care. So personal care, I had $20 left. You guys know I use that for my nails. And, is this a category I want to roll over? This rollover strategy might not be too good because I can actually use this to take care of, I can like get some extra stuff on my nails. So I'm going to leave $10 in here, and I'm going to take $10 and add that to my sinking fund. So I'm going to leave 10 there. We're going to start a new month. New month. So, I'm making a lot of noise. Sorry about that. So, we're starting a new month, and I will be putting $60 in there. And then we're having our rollover. And this will just be for a nail design because I didn't spend all of my money last time, which is a good thing. So I'm going to add plus $10, which is going to put me at 70. Ooh, y'all might could give me a little petty this time, you know what I'm saying? It's getting closer to summertime, so I'm going to have to up this budget anyways as it gets closer to the summer. But I might go ahead and get that young petty this next time. So let's go ahead, 20, 40, 60, and we're putting that into our funds here. Bam. Okay, household. I can now take this $5 Target gift card off of here. That was just a reminder to me that I had a $5 Target gift card to use. And this, let's see how much we're ending up with. $38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have 10 and 20. So that is $38. And this I can actually, I really don't even need anything right now. So I'm going to roll over this, not roll over, I'm going to put all of this $38 into the sinking funds. So we won't start anything with there. We'll just do our new month here. And we're going to see how this works. Like everything is kind of like trial and error until you get it right. So it's all good. So new month. And that is giving us a balance of $50. And I am pretty stocked up on Tide. I'm pretty stocked up on Downy and our paper goods. So I think this $50 will definitely last us for the next 2 weeks. Okay, and just stick it. Well, I thought I was sticking it in there, and I'm just sticking that into the envelope. Bam, we done. All right, so now we're at our eating out, and I had, oh, there's still some money coming out of here. Yeah, I'm gonna walk these envelopes until the till the brakes fall off. You hear me? So I don't know why there's a ticket for my nephew. Oh, because it had crazy bread. Is that why I stuck it there? That's weird. Okay, so let's count how much we had actually left over. It says we had $20 left over. So let's just make sure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we actually did have $20 left over, and I am going to roll over that $20 because that just gives me some extra cash flow for my eating out. So I'm going to leave that there because you never know when you have to go. Sometimes I feel like I overspend there, or I don't have enough left, or I'm like scrunging around like, oh, don't do that. Don't spend there. So this money is fine for that. So for the new month, I am putting $50 here, and I'm actually gonna have $70, and we're just gonna see if I actually spend that. So, oh, I also want to bet, we should put $5 back in there because I was only supposed to have $15, but I want to bet from one of my coworkers that he couldn't make it into the trash can. So yeah. So that rollover is $20. Cool beans. And I'll probably, next month we'll have to get a new one. So we have this $20 here, and we need to add $50. So we have our 50. Okay. Boom, bada boom, boom, boom. There we go. That's out the way. Now we have our gas, and it says we ended up with $5 for gas. So let's count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are at $5, and I normally put $60 in here, but as we know, I told you guys in the beginning, I had already used that other money, so I'm only going to be putting, it's gonna say 60, but then I'm gonna go ahead and write down that I used the money or whatever. So let's make us a new month here. Hopefully I didn't just confuse you guys. I'm not confused, so that's the big thing. So we're putting $60 in here, and new month. Okay, and we had a rollover of $5. And of course, I've just been letting that stay in there, so I'm going to keep doing that, plus $5, because gas prices can go up, so you know that happens. And then just to make sure that I don't do that, so this is $2.28 gas. Okay, and I ended up spending 27. I think I ended up spending $27. yeah, I think I ended up spending $27, and I don't have my calculator here, so I need to add $3 to that. So let me look at my purse, because I'm pretty sure that $3 is around here somewhere chilling. Okay, so we're gonna add that $3 to here just so we keep it all the way honest. So I have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 38. So I have $38 for gas left for the rest of the month, for the rest of the pay period. So I'm just sticking that in there. Okay. Now we're on to groceries. And I have $15 left. Okay. And for groceries, I'm not going to roll that over. I'm just going to go ahead and take that out because I usually end up with way more than enough for groceries the way things have been going lately. So I am going to take this $15 and add that to my sinking fund. Okay. And so we're just going to do $150. And it's a new month. Oh, why am I writing with this? Help it, Father. Okay. And we have 150. So let's count out 150. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, and 10 makes 150. And I'm actually going to be taking some of this out because I used ClickList today. So I'll be having to take that out and go pay myself back. So that's fine. Okay, now so we're in our sinking funds. And our sinking funds are supposed to be $80 now because I'm actually going to be putting $20 aside for my parents. That was one of the things I talked about before, and it did happen, so we are all good with that. So we're going to put $228 here, and this is technically paycheck number 1, even though it says the 28th, but y'all know how my checks and stuff go. So this time we're doing $80, and let's see, 20, 40, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, that's 60, 5, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right. So we're just gonna stick that in there, and let me get my calculator out because y'all know I'm not good at math, but I think that is 310 if I'm not mistaken, but let's just see. So 240 plus 80 equals 320. See? Yeah, good job, Michelle. Always shorten yourself. So now we have 320 in our sinking funds, which is really good. And then we're just going to go ahead and add this money to it as well. So I'm adding it from paycheck number 1, and then I'm going to call this rollover, and I'm going to add this money to it. Sorry that this video is getting kind of elongated, but I want to make sure I do everything the right way. Okay. It's going to bother me that the cash is not at least turned the right way. So this is 20, 5, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have $62 of bonus money that we just added to our sinking funds. So 228, and this is our rollover, and that was $62. So we can add that. That's $382. So we have $382 in our sinking funds right now. Now, I did get a ticket. So you guys tell me, should I take that ticket money out of my regular paycheck next time or take it out of my sinking fund for my car maintenance? Let me know what you guys think down below, because I'm kind of conflicted about what I should do. Should I take some of that out of my car maintenance or just go ahead and make it an expense, a one-time expense. I don't know. You guys let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Oh wait, you guys, I forgot to tell you about my change bag. So this is the bag I kind of carry around in my bag, in my purse or whatever, and it's all the change that I get back from anything. So instead of me putting them in my envelopes like I was doing before, I just started keeping them in a bag. Thank you guys for the idea of using this to pay for something else. And this is my Starbucks fund, so this is what I will be using going forward for Starbucks. Yay! Just thought I'd share that. Thank you guys so much for stuffing my cash envelopes with me this month and my sinking fund. And I will catch you guys. Ooh, look at this sinking fund getting kind of thick. You get a little thickums out here. Got to get you something else to put you in. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. And as always, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will catch you guys in the next one. KK, bye!